Flying FPV in Canada? Here's the 2-minute version. If you wear FPV goggles, you must have a visual observer beside you. They keep unaided visual line of sight on the drone and call out traffic or hazards while you fly. Keep the drone in sight below 122 meters or 400 feet. For basic operations, stay 30 meters away from bystanders. Stay 5.6 kilometers from airports and 1.9 kilometers from heliports. Avoid emergency scenes and advertised events. Want to fly in controlled airspace? You need advanced certification and NAV Canada authorization. No recreational drones in Parks Canada places without a permit. Break the rules, and Transport Canada can fine individuals up to $3,000 per offense, $15,000 for corporations. Multiple violations can stack. In national parks, fines can reach $25,000. For drones, 250 grams to 25 kilograms, register the drone and get at least a basic pilot certificate. The basic and advanced online exams are $10 each. Advanced adds a flight review and a small application fee. Even under 250 grams, FPV still needs a VO because you must maintain visual line of sight. Bring a friend as your VO. If you fly often, consider 2 pilots each with at least basic. Getting advanced unlocks more airspace. Always check local bylaws and NOTAMs before you arm. That's FPV in Canada 2025. Fly smart, keep it legal.